What are WordPress plugins? Plugins are small, downloadable software programs that can extend functionality or integrate with other services. They typically offer simple ways to make changes to your site without having to know complex coding. What separates a plugin from other downloads is that these can be activated and deactivated on demand. There are many different plugins available for the various platforms, including WordPress plugins for SEO, WordPress themes, and WordPress e-commerce stores. The most popular types of plugins are listed below. Social plugins. Social media integration is one of the most popular uses of WordPress plugins. These enable you to share posts and updates on Facebook, Twitter, and other social networks directly from your WordPress dashboard. Security plugins. Security is a significant concern for anyone who owns or manages a website or blog. Many plugins offer some level of protection from hackers and others who might find access to your site objectionable. The most popular plugins in WordPress are Akismet, the anti-spam plugin which protects your site from spam comments and trackbacks, and Jetpack, which provides extra features to WordPress users such as stats, contact forms, and social media integration. WordPress plugins make it easier for people to add functionality to their website without disrupting their site design or code. In my opinion, the most important thing is to find a plugin that matches your needs. If you are looking for a plugin to create an online store, you should only search for those kinds of plugins. Today, there are many plugins available for a given need. However, not all of them are compatible with different systems. Some plugins work better on WordPress, while others may work better on other platforms. Before buying it, one should find out what they need and then find the plugin that will suit their needs. In conclusion, the best plugins for your website depending on the type of website you are building. You must pick plugins to ensure that they can deliver what they advertise and help you with what your website needs.